Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your fossil watch band length. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small hammer, a pin removal tool, and a soft cloth to protect your watch. Lay your watch face down on the cloth. Look closely at the inside of the watch band links. You'll see small arrows indicating the direction to push the pins. This preparation ensures a smooth and scratch-free adjustment process for your timepiece. Now, let's start removing links. Place the watch band on its side, aligning the pin removal tool with one of the pins, making sure to push in the direction of the arrow. Use the small hammer to gently tap the tool, pushing the pin out of the link. Once the pin is partially out, you can pull it the rest of the way with your fingers or pliers. Carefully set aside any removed pins and links. With the desired number of links removed, it's time to reassemble your watch band. Align the two ends of the band you wish to connect. Insert a pin into the link, pushing it in the opposite direction of the arrow you followed earlier. Use your small hammer to gently tap the pin until it is fully seated and flush with the watch band. This secures the connection and completes the adjustment. Finally, try on your fossil watch to ensure the band fits comfortably and securely on your wrist. It should not be too tight or too loose, allowing for a small amount of movement. If it's still not perfect, simply repeat the process, adding or removing another link until you achieve the ideal fit. Remember, practice makes perfect. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.